So you're getting the Canon printer error 5P00 but don't know what to do? This error occurs when your printer's ink absorber, that's the sponge inside the printer that soaks up excess ink, is completely full. But you can reset it yourself in just a few minutes using nothing but your printer's control panel. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process that'll clear that error and get your Canon printer back to normal printing. Or, if you need extra help along the way, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started and fix this thing. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Alright, so first things first, while your printer is turned on, go ahead and load some papers into it. Now, turn off your printer completely. Go to your printer's control panel, press and hold the stop button, and the exact time, press and hold power button. Hold both of them together. Now, after 2 seconds, release the stop button only. Keep holding the power button though. Don't let go of it yet. While you're still holding the power button, press the stop button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just tap it 5 times while keeping the power button held down. After you've pressed the stop button 5 times, quickly release the power button. Now, just wait a moment. Your printer will enter into what's called the service mode. You'll know when it's working when the power button light stops blinking. So just wait for that light to stop. Once that power button stops blinking, press the stop button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then quickly press the power button just one more time. This will print out a service page. Alright, so once your printer prints that service page, take a look at it. You'll see a D100 on there. Or maybe a number even higher than that. That number shows how full your ink sponge is. Since you're getting that B500 error, your number's probably at 100 or higher, which means your ink sponge is completely full. Now, to fix this, reset that ink sponge back to 0. Press the stop button 5 times again. After that, quickly press the power button 1 time. Wait for the printer to print another service page. This time, it'll show you D is equal to 0 something, which means your ink sponge fill has been reset back to 0. Alright, we're almost done. Turn off your printer and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. And you should be good to start printing again. Now, your 5P00 error will be gone. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.